front of me is Motorola Signature, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Gestures. Then tap on one-handed mode. And if you are using gesture navigation, use this switcher next to Use One-Handed Mode to activate it. Make sure Full Screen into Reach is on, and then follow all of those instructions. So in order to enter one-handed mode, swipe down from the bottom of your screen. When I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, click on this area at the top, or simply swipe up. If you are using Tricky's navigation, I need to change mine real quick to show you. This option won't be accessible to you. Instead, scroll down and use this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Hit Got It and use this button that you can move around to enter and exit one-handed mode. If you wish, you can also tap on one-handed mode shortcut on the left and pick one of those options, Quick Settings or Volume keys. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!